Okay, we're at Tjmaxx. Let's see how long it takes. Let's see if I get a copyright violation. We're doing the Halloween tour right here. Lots of Halloween stuff. Here's a Halloween giraffe witch. They have some interesting stuff. There's a Medusa. Avocado is big. Is that an avocado guy? I'm not sure. They said avocados are really a big thing. I'm not sure. And then we have some more back there. Some spooky pink ghosts. Do they do anything? I guess they do. Let's see. Oh, they light up back there. Maybe it's a. Is it one? That was Martha Stewart. It's probably pretty expensive. Originally, there's a ball guy. Maybe he's supposed to be a mummy. I don't know. We got a kitty corn. So a lot of cool things right here. Fabulous witch. Some cool spooky stuff. Let's see what we got over here. And then here we got some skulls, some skeletons, and that kind of more traditional stuff. These are kind of cool. Those little cups. See, 4 different cups in there. Candles, and then we got here. I actually found something from Halloween. It looks like. I mean, from Thanksgiving. 2 items from Thanksgiving. So we don't just necessarily jump straight to Christmas as we have been told we do. We got a spooky, looks like a skeleton cowboy. And then go this way. I guess we'll go this way. Some sheets. A real big candy corn right here. Pretty cool, huh? And kind of an archway. Looks like we got some Christmas stuff going behind. We'll go and do that one later. Kind of an archway there. Halloween and more Halloween over here. This was out last year. Maybe it's the same one. The triple skull. And it looks like we have a Beware kissing booth, maybe, or maybe that's a Lucy giving her psychiatrist information. And we got some owls right here. And I don't know how much of this, I may have missed some of this already. It's been a very kind of early season, it seems. Some places only had their Christmas stuff out. I already filmed the pet stuff last time, so I won't film that now, I guess. So go back that way if you want, and you'll see those. Don't forget to subscribe, please subscribe. I think it's on this side because I'm filming away from me. So please subscribe, like, and share. And this is the pet stuff one more time. This is some candy items. So this is the food section. I'm just gonna go to the front of the store, working my way back. Then we got, I guess this is some Thanksgiving stuff, maybe. Some scarecrows. That could be both. Thankful and blessed. So I looked at it. That is the Thanksgiving section over here. Mr. or Mrs. I guess if it's your first Halloween or first Thanksgiving. But we have some scarecrows here, and all that. A lot of that could be for just the season. And this is more just like a regular gourmet stuff. They have a lot of stuff on sale over here, like things that were $6 or $7, even as much as $9. We're down to $2 on clearance. So this is already a kind of a clearance place. Then it went on one clearance, and then a second clearance. So that's pretty cool to save some money. And here we got some more Halloween stuff. This is where there's one end cap right here for Halloween, and right next to it is an end cap just for Christmas. So kind of a cool right there, huh? And then we got this, and then more spooky. We got some spooky stuff here, and then right next to it, Christmas stuff. So it looks like it's going to be one of those kind of displays. So it's kind of mixed in here now. This looks like it could be either for Thanksgiving or Halloween, or maybe this is for like harvest or whatever they call it. Because this is the time of year would be harvest. Yeah, this is called harvest finds. So you have harvest for if you live in an area that has that. And here's some of this kind of stuff. Here got candy and all that. So maybe some of the things to put on a table for that. And then let's go this way. And then we got some Christmas stuff here and some pumpkins back there. So let's go back. Let's go around this way, I guess. More Halloween, like throws or something like that. And then there's the pet section, but I think that's all the pet stuff for Halloween's up front. We'll check. Oh, maybe not. We got a pirate right here. I guess he's for Halloween, or maybe he's just always a pirate. Is he dressed for Halloween or is that? But we have this guy right here, spooky. They had that really big candy bowl. Maybe someone bought it. The one I always joke is a big candy bowl is about as huge, you know. So, and then we have, like, this is the last of the Halloween stuff over here on this side, it looks like. Let's go look at the costumes. You want to look at the costumes? Remember, if you get a costume, you cannot return it the day after. So they've made a big thing about that. See, this is a big tail. They had this last year. The big tails right here. And then Halloween over here. There's a unicorn and some. You would think that those are for girls, but nowadays maybe it could be for anyone that wants to carry it or wear it. And look at this kind of a cool pumpkin candy collector. We have Star Wars, of course. This might be about it. This is kind of not quite as big as it was last year, or maybe it's early season. They said that people are already putting stuff on layaway for Christmas, and then some people are already buying things for Christmas. They're trying to, like, either put things on layaway or maybe buy like one gift, a paycheck until the time. That was on the radio. I guess they're saying the economy is not very good. Or is it very well? Do we have a well economy or a bad economy? They're saying that that's due to our current president. If you forgot who that is Joe Biden. Some people are actually forgetting that he is president. They'll see him on the news. What's he doing on the news? Oh, I said, well, he's the president of the United States. Oh, that's right. They've actually forgotten that, I guess. And looks like we have some kind of toys over here that are Halloween related. It says Halloween, some toys, but $10 for that squishy kind of a guy. And some more here, and that might be it. Let's go over on this side. They had some spooky jewelry. It was one of the first things I've ever filmed about Halloween last year or the year before, maybe. They do have these slippers, and of course Barbie made an appearance, but I don't think she's supposed to be here. They have two different kinds of slippers here. One is a ghost. I think it's two. Yeah, maybe a ghost. And then these are these pumpkins. Yeah, and pumpkins. So three kinds. Ghost, pumpkins, or spiders. If you're going to get a pair of Halloween slippers, which would you prefer? I don't know. They're all kind of spooky, aren't they? So, and then this might be a costume. I think this is just pajamas. But a lot of people are probably going to wear pajamas stuff. They said pajamas are really popular now. Everybody's wearing pajamas for things. There's always pajama events, I guess, where you can go and watch a spooky movie. There's a little bit more left there. It's on clearance, I guess. But you watch a spooky movie in pajamas at some like rec center or that kind of thing. And it looks like that might be about it for the Tjmaxx with 2 X's for this Halloween season. Let's see, this is where the spooky jewelry was last year, and it doesn't look like they have any spooky jewelry out here now. So maybe that's about it, I guess. Let's go see if there's any electronics related Halloween items. I don't think there will be. No, they're not going to be. You can see some Christmas trees peeking up right here. So these are like the impulse items where you wait in this long line. There was nobody in the line at all today when I came here. Not one person. Really strange, because usually it's all the way to at least this far. You know, where these Christmas ones are here. It usually goes at least that far. I've seen as many as 25 people there. I've seen as little as, of course, day one, but kind of weird. And here's more. I don't think we got this very well. This is more of like candy stuff. Not really candy you would hand out. Probably more candy for like a party or something like that. Here's a little haunted house things. Haunted house caramel pralines. There's quite a bit in there, it looks like. But they had some really good sales here. A lot of it looks like it's gone now. Here's some more of it right here. But they're on these kind of racks right here, and it'd say deep clearance or some word for it, like that means deep clearance. Here's some more Christmas stuff, candies. But they were having things on there that were like, for example, this is $14.99, and it would be either $2 or $5. It was like a $2 or $5 clearance racks, but it looks like it got either cleared out or maybe they donated it. Sometimes others will put it on clearance, and they'll put it on a clearance rack, and then if it doesn't get sold, then what they'll do is they'll donate if it's a food product to some of the homeless or food banks and that kind of stuff. But I guess that wraps it up. So hopefully you didn't get too spooked and you can enjoy your rest of your day. Have a great day, everyone. Tjmaxx Halloween tour.